Hello, techies. Alright, we are in lab 3.4.9 and we're going to be switching loops. You manage several networking devices in a network closet, specifically a single router and 3 switches. The router is connected to the internet and a single switch. Each switch has networking ports that must be enabled to allow computers to communicate with each other and the internet. The switches have redundant connection to each other on the uplink ports. They need to be enabled properly to avoid creating a switching loop. In this lab, your task is to complete the following: enable all of the necessary ports on each networking device that will allow the computers and the devices to communicate. Make sure you don't create switching loop. So this is switching loop is disabled. So this is lab 3.4.9 and we are starting lab. And in case this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to make it as short as possible rather. Alright, so let's see. The first task is to enable all necessary ports on each networking device that will allow computers and the devices to communicate. Okay, so this is plugged in, this is plugged in, and plugged in, plugged in, this is plugged in, plugged in, or this is plugged in. So let's see, make sure you don't create a switching loop. Make sure that any ports that could create a switching loop are disabled. Okay, so this and this and this, there's a switching loop around here, so we're going to disable any port that has a switching loop. So let's just check our answers. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that other students can benefit. Also remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.